Hey everyone, it's the Apex Auto back here with another video. In my last video, I spoke to y'all about how I had purchased a Factory 5 Racing GTM. That car was on my wall. It was a dream car of mine. It broke down on the way home from the dealership. Purchased an orange C8, and it got 2 weeks in, it got rear-ended. My wife was driving, and that car sat in limbo for 6 months. I didn't know if it would ever, or when it would be fixed. I know a lot of y'all have gone through this where you have a problem with your car and it has to sit at the dealership or sit in a body shop or something, and it just eats at you. It just eats away at your heart. You don't know when you're getting it back. For me, it was the Chevy was on a strike, and we didn't know when they were coming back. They weren't giving parts to people that had accidents and stuff like that. They were just putting them on new cars because they had limited supply. Anyhow, the depression set in, and a lot of YouTubers and Instagrammers aren't talking about this feeling that you get when you put your whole persona, your whole life behind your car. It becomes a part of you. It's like having a loss in the family when your car goes down. And there was a real depression. There was a real depression because of the fact that, my social circle went away. I was not able to go to car meets and car shows and stuff with my car and talk about my car. And so a lot of my friends were, my friends would post online, Instagram, and tag me and stuff, and it just made my heart sink because I didn't get to be a part of that at that point in time. And it's hard. I think that we need to focus on not making our cars as much of ourselves as we do. Put in the comments if you've gone through this, if you've had your car broke down, or your car has had an accident and you didn't know when you're getting it back, and it just hurt your soul. How bad did it affect you overall? Because for me, it was dark days. I mean, you had thought my cat died or a dog died, or a piece of me fell apart. With that said, I think that I have grown. I think that, if something happened to the Apex Corvette tomorrow, knock on some wood, I'd probably be fine. It would still hurt. It would still suck. Make it really hard to get y'all content. But I do everything now not to place so much emphasis on my car. Because at the end of the day, it's a car. And nobody's going to die if, it has to be fixed. Or it gets totaled and I have to get something else because I'm going to upgrade. I'm going to upgrade. But, yeah. anyhow, I'd love to hear y'all's stories in the comments of stuff that have happened to you when your car went down. How did you deal with it? How did you push through? What is your mindset now? Has it changed? I have seen a bunch of friends recently. Car goes down because of a blown engine. The car goes down because it got scratched and has to be painted. Car goes down because the transmission. We all know these Corvettes and the transmissions. I have a theory for y'all that I will post in another video about the transmission problems on these cars. But I'm sure there's lots of people that watch these videos that could shed some light and actually see, you know, how you got through it and what your mindset has changed. But yeah, again, thank you all so much for watching. I am blown away. We are almost at 100 subscribers, and that's mind-blowing to me. I never even thought I'd get there, to be honest with you. YouTube algorithms are tough, very tough. So make sure y'all are hitting the like button, turn on the notifications to get all notifications when I post videos. And please comment, helps the algorithm. And until next time, see y'all later. Peace.